Today, I'm going to show you how to make the fluffiest dinner rolls ever. Hey everybody, this is Abby of Abby's Home Kitchen, and you guys are going to love this dinner roll recipe because the ingredients are so simple. You probably have everything you need in your pantry, so let's get along. In a mixing bowl, add warm milk, salt, sugar, instant yeast. Mix and cover 5 to 7 minutes until it's foamy. Now you can add some vanilla extract. This is optional, but it is highly recommended. Add egg, flour, butter, and combine till all mixed together with your mixer for about 3 minutes. Then knead for another 5 to 7 minutes. If you do not have a mixer, you can do all this by hand. Now oil your bowl and then transfer the dough into the bowl. You can then go ahead to add a few amount of oil on top of the dough and then cover it and place it in a warm place for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours, or until you see that it is doubled in size. You should get a very fluffy and stretchy consistency. A little over 1 hour later, your dough should look like this, so make sure to give it a punch to let the air escape. Now you want to place it on a flat surface. You can use your countertop directly, just make sure you flour it. Now you want to cut this into same sizes. You can use a measuring scale or you can just eyeball it, just like I did here. For this ingredient, I was able to get 27 balls out of this, but my baking pan could only take 24. So just roll it out into a ball like this. And then I added some butter and also some sesame seeds. Cover this for another 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Now this is ready to be baked. Now, before baking, make sure to preheat your oven to 325 Fahrenheit and place your dough into the oven and bake for 30 minutes or 35 to 40 minutes until it's golden or brown on the top here. So once you bring it out, you just want to cover it for another 3 to 5 minutes just so that it's soft. And then you can also brush some butter on it. And yeah, there it is. It's so fluffy. It's so delicious. Thank you for sticking around to this point. Let me know what you think if you'll be baking your own dinner rolls next. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a lovely time. Bye.